we've got here the BMW 4 Series 2016 is installed with factory style CarPlay on the original system. So it did not come with CarPlay originally on these cars. So what we've done is we retrofitted it in. It's full wireless, it's unwired, so everything stays original. You still got your screen and your system. Press and hold down the back button, and there you go, your full CarPlay interface right on the screen. You can use your original controller to navigate the system. All your favorite apps right on the screen. Also, you can get music and everything playing through it as well. You can use you'll still use your steering wheel controls to control it as well. We changed the original sensors as well, so that will come up when you put it in reverse, and you can always switch back to the original system with the back button. So if you want this retrofitted on your BMW 4 Series, give it a shot.